Hello guys, today we are going hello guys, ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਪਲਾਜ਼ੇ ਚੋਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ if you have a test, if you have a G2 or G test, how you gonna get out from the parking spot or from the plaza. Let's see. Examiner will ask you, okay, this is not a route and this is just a practice. Okay, so examiner will ask you make a right turn. Just give the signal first, go a little bit forward and stop again. Check left, check right, check left again, then go. Okay, and then examiner will ask you make a left turn from here. Again, this is not any route, this is just a practice, just a random plaza. So make sure you check left right and stop on this stop sign before the line. Examiner will ask you make again left turn from any stop sign. So please check left right left and go. Whenever you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane. Wait for the examiner instruction, what he is saying. Examiner will ask you make a right turn from the traffic light, then give the signal, check the mirror and blind spot and stop on the red light completely. And please don't just stop and just go. Don't do it like that. Make sure to stop completely, check left, check right, check left again, go a little bit forward in the right motion. Nobody is coming, I can go. Very good. If you don't see any speed sign over here, it's a 50. Amazing. Keep it like that. Doesn't matter if you have a G2 or G, please follow the rules or regulation and you will pass your test in first attempt. Okay, so now examiner will ask you lane change to the left. So don't give the signal first, don't give the signal. Okay, first check the mirror. If the car is coming parallel you, car is coming behind you, don't give the signal first. Make the space or make an opportunity, then give the signal. Check mirror and blind spot and do not move your steering at all. Your car will go automatically in that lane. Just think about that. Okay, please just think about that. Your car will go automatically. Don't try to just do it like that, do it like that. Don't do it. Just think about it. Your car will go automatically. Your body language will go automatically onto that lane. Please. This is just for the beginners. Like, you know how to do the lane change, how to stop on the stop sign, how to make a right turn, how to make a left turn. And always when you are stopping on the on the red lights or in the traffic, make sure you have a one car space in front of you. Okay, don't go too close. If you go too close, if someone hit you from behind, you should not hit someone else. That's why we are keeping this space. So please maintain the gap. Always watch your lights. If you watch your lights, you will observing the traffic automatically. Please do not follow the traffic. Follow the traffic lights, please. Okay. Now, if make sure you avoid the yellow lights or traffic lights, please. If you avoid the traffic lights, your confidence level will be more. Your confidence level will be go on the next level. Okay. So please avoid the traffic lights. Do not avoid the traffic. Avoid the traffic lights. If you avoid the traffic lights, you will avoid the traffic automatically. Just make sure your vision is not straight, little bit on the top. Okay, like that, please. Now suppose if I want to do the lane change on the right side, I'm not gonna give the signal first. Okay, I'm gonna watch the mirror first, then signal, then check the blind spot, and do not move your steering at all. See, I did not move my steering and automatically I am in my lane. Please keep it like that. Turn off the signal, you are in your lane. And please listen and watch it very carefully. This is a very simple lane change. Don't make it worst. Don't try to go like that. Please don't try to go. And again, if you see the speed sign, suppose it's over here, I can see over here is 70. So please match the speed first. If you wanna do the lane change, or you wanna do like, please first match the speed or follow the traffic. If you have a traffic, follow the traffic. If you don't have a traffic, follow the speed. Please keep it like that. So we are making a right turn from the traffic light, signal, mirror and blind spot. And again, do not move your steering at all. And you guys can see the triangle sign here. This is the yield sign. Make sure nobody is coming. Yeah, check left, right, nobody is coming. I can go very easily. Make sure you slow down, do not stop. This is not a stop sign, this is a yield sign. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield sign means other traffic has a right of way. Please watch the traffic, check left, right. If you see any pedestrian is coming into your way, please stop. And if you see any car is coming in this lane, please stop. Otherwise, just slow down, check left, right and go. Keep moving. Okay, very good. Now you can see the speed sign here, it's a 60. I am already on 60. So please, if you are doing any lane change, first match the speed. Don't go 20, 30, 40. Don't do the lane change on 20, 30, 40. Please. Signal or mirror and blind spot. Keep it like that. Again, mirror, signal, blind spot. Keep it like that. Again, mirror, signal, blind spot. Keep it like that. If you are in a turning lane, if you are making a right turn or left turn, please, signal should be on. Again, yield sign, no traffic is coming. I checked very well and it's good. So please guys, this is just a small video. It's gonna help you a lot. So take it easy. And I'm gonna make a left turn from here. And I will clear the traffic first. Oncoming traffic has to be clear. Don't do rush. If you don't feel safe, if it is not clear, please don't go. This is a left turn, very risky turn. Do not take a chance. This is not a, this is a life decision. Please make your decision wisely, please. Now I can go. Take it easy. Thank you so much guys, and please keep in touch. I'll make the videos every day for you, and thank you so much. If you have any doubt or question, please do a comment or any question. I will respond right away. Thank you so much.